If we talk about the wonders of marbling nails, water marbling, a captivating technique, produces stunning, one of a kind designs by dropping nail polish into a ball of water and swirling it with a toothpick. You create mesmerizing patterns reminiscent of swirling marble. Although it can be a bit challenging to master, the results are well worth the effort, and you will have people asking how you achieved such a masterpiece. And if we talk about shimmering metallics nail art adds a touch of glamour and opulence on your nails. Silver, gold, and rose gold are popular choices for this design, and you can opt for a solid metallic look or combine it with other colors and textures to create a more versatile and dazzling effect. They add a festive touch to your nails. Customized nail designs can also commemorate personal achievements and milestones, serving as a reminder of your journey. They hold true value in your daily lives by allowing us to express ourselves, boosting our self confidence and our personality. Nail art is not just about appearance, it's all about our personal growth, giving you the opportunity to take control of your self expression and share your unique story. Playful animal prints. Unleash your wild side with animal inspired nail art, from leopard spots to zebra stripes and adorable panda prints. These designs add a playful and unique element to your manicure. Animal prints are ideal for those who want to make a bold fashion statement and display their love for nature. Precise geometry. Geometrical nail art emphasizes clean lines, sharp angles, and exact shapes. Whether you opt for triangles and squares or intricate 3D patterns, this design style is contemporary and edgy. You can choose bold, contrasting colors for a striping effect or go for a more subtle, monochromatic look depending on your personal style.